To showcase something truly special, a freshly painted Cessna 182 that our painters have finished out, and the start and finish of our ADA training class. Hey there, fellow aviators and detailers. Welcome to my channel, The Plane Detailer, where we embark on an incredible journey around the globe, diving deep into the art of aircraft detailing. I'm Brandon, owner of Sparrowhawk Houston and a proud trainer for the Aviation Detailing Association, known as the ADA. Join me as we explore the world of aviation and I share tips, tricks, and techniques to keep these antique beauties in pristine condition. Let me be your guide as we go about preserving these magnificent flying machines that are truly pieces of art. So buckle up and hit that subscribe button to follow along on this adventure. Let's preserve the legacy of these aircraft together, one detail at a time. In this video, guys, I want to showcase some of the work that some of our other partners do here at Wolf Air Park. Now, this is Paint Girl. This is a team of Veronica and her husband Jose, and they do amazing work here at our facility here at Wolf Air Park, which is a fly-in grass-fed air park. And that's located at 8802 Belcher Road, and that's in Alvin, Texas, 77511. Their attention to detail is unmatched, and they've set the perfect canvas for us to work our magic. While we're perfecting the 182, our ADA training class is in full swing. We're passionate about sharing our expertise with the next generation of detailers. From surface identification to safety concerns, we cover it all to ensure every trainee is ready to deliver top-notch service. Training is a backbone of our business. It's how we maintain our high-quality standards and continue to grow. Our ADA training program is designed to equip detailers with the skills they need to excel in aircraft detailing. From surface identification to mastering safety protocols, we cover it all to meet FAA and EPA standards. Our trainees get hands-on experience with surface prep and polishing techniques. This includes identifying oxidation, swirl marks, and holograms, and learning how to correct them using the right tools and products. Every step is crucial to ensuring a flawless finish. We also emphasize the importance of safety, both for the aircraft and the detailer. Proper handling of aviation-grade chemicals and tools is a key part of our training. We're not just teaching a job, we're building careers in aviation detailing. Now that our ADA training class is over with for day 2, we're going to hop back over to our hangar and work on this 182. Between our painters finishing this thing out and us doing our polishing step, we're using a combination of rotary and dual action polishers. The rotary polisher helps cut through the deeper imperfections, while the DA polisher ensures a swirl-free glossy finish. It's a delicate balance, but it makes all the difference in the world. Once the surface is polished to perfection, we move on to prepping for the ceramic coating. Prepping the surface ensures that Bravo coating bonds properly and delivers maximum durability. With the paint job finished up, it's time for us to step in and seal the deal, literally. We're applying our 2-year Bravo ceramic coating to lock in that shine and protect this beauty from the elements. Let's show you how it's done. Our Bravo coating is a game changer. Not only does it enhance this aircraft's appearance, but it also provides a durable protective layer that stands up to the toughest conditions. This customer trusting us to do one of our coatings on his plane after it's painted was the best decision he could have made. And there it is, an aircraft that's not just clean, but truly protected and ready for the skies. This is what we mean when we say we deliver professional grade results. Thanks for joining us on this journey, whether you're here for detailing tips, training insights, or just love seeing planes shine. We've got more coming your way. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Until next time, keep those planes flying high and looking their best. This aircraft isn't just a head turner, it's also up for sale. If you're in the market for a beautifully maintained and freshly detailed 182, this could be your next adventure waiting to happen. Reach out for more details. Alright guys, we're finished up here. We have a great ADA weekend. We have the Cessna 182 that got finished up and ceramic coated this week. As well, It's been an awesome time. If you guys have watched this video, thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down with your favorite part of the video, and we're gonna shift gears and get ready to do this next project, which is a 34-foot Stamus boat. So go ahead and stay tuned for our next project coming up. See you guys next time. And a big heartfelt thank you goes out to all of our students that traveled from all over the country for our last training class. We much appreciate that, each and every single one of you guys coming out.